Hypothyroidism is a common health problem that affects the thyroid gland. This gland is in your neck, and it makes important hormones. These hormones control your metabolism, which is how your body uses energy. When you have hypothyroidism, your thyroid doesn't make enough hormones. This can slow down many of your body's functions. Millions of people have hypothyroidism. It happens more often in women than men. You are more likely to get it as you get older. Hypothyroidism is often easily treated. With proper care, you can feel much better and live a full and active life. It's important to understand that hypothyroidism is a manageable condition. With the right treatment, you can live a normal, healthy life. If you suspect you might have hypothyroidism, talk to your doctor. Hypothyroidism can cause a wide range of symptoms. These symptoms can vary from person to person. Some people have mild symptoms, while others have more noticeable ones. One of the most common symptoms is feeling tired all the time. You might also gain weight without trying. Other symptoms include feeling cold when others are comfortable, having dry skin, and experiencing constipation. Some people notice their hair thinning or their voice becoming hoarse. You may also have trouble concentrating or remembering things. It's important to note that these symptoms can also be caused by other conditions. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's essential to see your doctor. They can determine if your symptoms are due to hypothyroidism or another health issue. Diagnosing hypothyroidism is usually a straightforward process. Your doctor will start by asking you about your symptoms and medical history. They will also perform a physical exam. The most important test for diagnosing hypothyroidism is a blood test. This test measures the level of thyroid-stimulating hormone, or TSH, in your blood. TSH is made in the pituitary gland, which is located in the brain. TSH tells your thyroid gland how much thyroid hormone to make. If your thyroid isn't making enough hormone, your TSH level will be high. Your doctor may also check the level of free T4 in your blood. T4 is one of the main hormones made by the thyroid gland. These tests are essential for accurate diagnosis and determining the appropriate treatment plan for hypothyroidism. The primary treatment for hypothyroidism is taking a medication called levothyroxine. This medication is a synthetic form of the thyroid hormone your body is not producing enough of. It's taken once a day, usually in the morning on an empty stomach. Levothyroxine helps to raise your thyroid hormone levels, which relieves your symptoms. Your doctor will determine the right dosage of levothyroxine for you. It's important to take the medication exactly as prescribed and not to stop taking it without talking to your doctor. In addition to medication, there are some lifestyle changes that can help you manage your hypothyroidism. Eating a healthy diet, getting regular exercise, and managing stress can all improve your symptoms. Remember, managing hypothyroidism is a lifelong journey. With the right treatment and healthy habits, you can live a full and active life.